Hello my friends, in this episode I will be showing you how to load a Mamiya 500DTL film camera, how to load it and unload it with film. So we first start out from this camera. Opens up a bit different than a standard film camera. Its door opener is right here, this lever up top over here. On the left side of the camera under this knob. You just pull it up and the doors open right up. And this camera, like many other cameras, don't need film leaders. This one needs some type of film leader. As you see, this isn't perfect, but you don't need a perfect one. It will work as well. And of course, you got to take out this lever and pull this knob up so you could unlock the compartment for the film. When you put the film cartridge in, you can lock it back in place. There we go, just like that. And we lead the leader, and this camera has holes inside the wind mechanism here. As you see, these slots in there. What you have to do is put your film into such a slot. Now the film won't go in there too deep, so you gotta make sure it stays in. When you cock it, you see the film got winded on. At this point you can close the doors and of course wind some frames on before shooting your camera. And of course you will notice this knob spinning because the film is advancing from your cartridge. So when you're done taking photos now and you want to unload the camera, the first step to what you should do is take out this lever right here, like in mostly all cameras. And of course we are looking for a button on the bottom here, just like this, something like that. We press it. It releases the mechanism inside to roll your film back into the cartridge. So of course clockwise and rewinding, and we're listening for the film to get released from the spool here. And you hear clicking inside. That means the film is still continuing. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There should be enough film released. So now let's open up. As you see, the film got released from the holder. And of course we pull up to release the film. Close everything back up. And this is how you load and unload the Mamiya 500DTL film camera with film. So if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And please remember to subscribe so you don't miss any amazing content. I do videos related with film photography, film camera repairs, film development, and darkroom stuff. So, hope you enjoyed this. Hope to see you again. Take care, my friends.